Hello, I'm Michael. In this video, I will use the Business Board platform with VMware Workstation. Before we start, you should already have VMware Workstation installed and configured. If not, you should do it now. Videos and tutorial can be found on YouTube or directly on vmware.com. What is VMware? VMware Workstation is a hosted hypervisor that runs on x64 versions of Windows and Linux operating systems. It enables users to set up virtual machines, so-called VMs, on a single physical machine and use them simultaneously along with the actual machine. Why VMware? VMware Workstation lets you run multiple operating systems as virtual machines on a single Linux or Windows PC. Of course, you can do that also with other virtualization tools such as VirtualBox. Today I want to show you how to use the Business Board Platform Community Edition with VMware Workstation. Therefore, we go to c2news.de and click on Products, then Community Edition. On this page, click on Download to open the download page. Therefore, select Download, then click on VMware. Our download portal offers two options to use the Business Board platform. You can download a zip file containing the whole virtual machine or with the operating system and platform, or you can download the OVA file, which is a pre-configured virtual machines that can be deployed on VMware Workstation, VMware Sphere, or ASX Server, or also on with VirtualBox. Here, click on Download for VMware to download the zip file. Once the download is finished, we have to unzip the file. So therefore, we open the download directory and extract the zip file into the directory. Then we go into the directory and double click on the VMware file. Now VMware is starting and is asking for if we have moved or copied this virtual machine. Here we can say I moved it. You will see the player turns to black and begin loading the Business Board platform. The final step in VMware Workstation Player is to log in. You will see the login credentials highlighted here. Click on the window and type the root password for the login, then press enter on your keyboard. Here, enter root and type the password highlighted on the upper right corner. So now you see login was successful. To release your mouse, hold down Ctrl and Alt key. Your mouse will be then becomes available to you. To type back into the VMware Workstation player, you will first have to click on the window. It is important to note that your IP address will be different. Make sure you use the IP address shown in your VMware Workstation player. Open your preferred browser. Here you will see Firefox. Then type the address you will see here on the banner. And don't forget the trailing slash here. You are now able to access the BusinessBot platform. Click the button to configure the general platform settings. So the first panel is the license agreement. Read it, and once you scroll down here, the button is activated, so click accept. So in the next step, the platform will check some requirements. So you have to check if the status here is green. So then check next, click next. The next point is to configure the BusinessBot platform data resource. Per default, all the settings are already fine and must not be changed. So just click Save and Validate. So the message means that the connection to the database has been successfully validated and the platform is able to communicate with the database. So the next step is to scroll down and click on Install Data Mod. Now you have to wait until the success message appears that the data model has been installed successfully. So now scroll down again, then finally click on Save and Validate. Okay, the database connection is still successfully and the data model looks good. So then click Next. So here you can configure the mail settings, which is required in case that you want to reset the user password, because this password is sent via email. So in my case, I will skip this step. So now you have to enter your email address and your password in order to log in to the platform. Now I type my password. So, and keep the email address as is. Click on Next. In this panel, you are able to install already out of the box or pre-configured business logics. For example, Hello World, which will always reply Hello World, or Hello Echo, which will reply the input you have sent to this chatbot. So here in this case I will install Hello World. Therefore I click on the install button and have to wait for the success message. Okay, the logic is now installed. Then click next again. So the platform is now configured. As soon as I click on the login button, the web setup is disabled and ready for login. So click on this button. So now you see here that the setup message for the web setup is not displayed anymore. Just type username and password and click on login. The dashboard is now loaded and you can start to work with the platform. In this video, we have successfully started the BusinessBot platform with VMware and are able to start with the configuration and administration of the platform and the chatbots. If you want to know more about the BusinessBot platform, click on our YouTube channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much and goodbye, Michael.